Welcome friends to Sheetal's World of Recipes. Today I am going to show you how to make Ferrari masala plantain dosa and uttapam. Let's see the ingredients for Ferrari masala dosa and uttapam. We need 1 cup morio known as samo or bhagar, 1/3 cup sabudana, 1 tablespoon ginger, green chili as per taste, 1 teaspoon cumin seed that is jeera, 1 teaspoon sindor salt as per your taste, 1 big plantain or raw banana, 2 tablespoons shredded fresh coconut, 10 to 15 kadhi patta or curry leaves, 4 to 5 tablespoon peanut oil for making dosa and uttapam. You can also use ghee or butter, 1/4 cup yogurt, 1 cup water. First we will wash sabudana and morayo. Cover with water until it's level or half centimeter above. Soak for 4 to 5 hours or until sabudana is soft. After 5 hours, we will blend everything to make batter. Take soaked morayo, add sabudana in it, yogurt 1/4 cup, 10 to 15 kadhi patta or curry leaves, 2 tablespoon fresh coconut, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds or jeera, 1 tablespoon ginger and green chili as per your taste. Remove the stem from the plantain and peel off the skin by putting the slit in the plantain. Cut plantain into medium-sized pieces. Add 1 cup water or as per required. Blend everything well. Make dosa batter smooth. Cover the dosa batter with lid for 4 to 5 hours or you can keep for 6 to 8 hours or at least for 2 hours. Once the dosa batter is fermented, we will add 1 teaspoon sindor salt as per your taste. Mix everything well. Our dosa batter is ready. Dosa batter should not be very thick, it should be pouring consistency. Now we will make dosa. Heat up the pan, but make sure that the pan must not be too hot or cold. Put half teaspoon oil and sprinkle little water on the pan. Either take paper towel or cloth and evenly spread the oil and water. While pouring the dosa batter, keep stove on the low flame. With the help of the spoon, gently but quickly spread it out in a round motion. Now put the stove flame on medium or medium to high. Now apply oil on the edge of the dosa and in the middle. Spread oil evenly. Let it cook until it turns golden brown and crispy. Once the dosa is done, remove it and it is ready to serve. Now I will also show you how to make Ferrari Uttapam. For Ferrari Uttapam, we need to keep our batter little thick but pouring consistency. Heat the pan, put half teaspoon oil in it, pour the batter and keep the flame on medium and cook evenly. If you like, you can also put green chili and kadhi patta on it and put oil. Flip on the other side and cook. Our Uttapam is ready to serve. Friends, today I have shown you fasting recipe which is very tasty and healthy. Ferrari masala plantain dosa and uttapam which you can also enjoy when you are not fasting. For delicious and tasty recipes, subscribe to my channel Sheetal's World of Recipes. Like and share and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you.